Hi guys, it's me. If you're planning to upgrade your workspace and want a monitor that completely redefines productivity, this is the Dell UltraSharp U4919DW 49-inch LED-lit monitor, and you'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. This monitor is designed for people who take their work seriously. The moment it lights up, you realize this isn't about having a bigger screen just for the sake of size. It's about efficiency, focus, and creating a workspace that actually helps you get more done. The 49-inch ultra-wide panel stretches across your desk with a massive 32:9 aspect ratio, giving you the equivalent of two QHD monitors combined into one seamless display. With a resolution of 5120 by 1440, everything looks sharp and spacious. Text is clean, charts feel endless, and timelines finally have room to breathe. If you're editing video, working with large spreadsheets, coding, or running multiple applications at once, this display changes the way you work. You spend less time switching windows and more time staying in the flow. Dell's UltraSharp series has always been known for reliability and color accuracy, and this monitor stays true to that reputation. The IPS panel delivers consistent colors from edge to edge, even when viewed from wide angles. It's comfortable on the eyes during long work sessions and feels balanced rather than overly saturated. This is the kind of screen that feels professional the moment you start using it. One of the biggest advantages here is how clean it makes your setup. USB-C connectivity allows a single cable to handle video, data, and power delivery. That means fewer cables on your desk and a faster setup every time you sit down to work. If you use a laptop as your main machine, this feature alone makes a huge difference in daily convenience. Multitasking feels effortless on this display. You can run two full-size applications side by side without compromise. Add a third or even a fourth window, and everything still feels usable. Dell's screen management features help divide the display intelligently, giving you the benefits of a multi-monitor setup without the headaches of alignment and mismatched panels. The design stays minimal and professional. Thin bezels keep the focus on the screen, while the sturdy stand offers height, tilt, and swivel adjustments for proper ergonomics. Despite its wide footprint, the monitor feels solid and well-balanced, built for long-term use in serious work environments. This monitor isn't trying to be a gaming display, and that's a good thing. Instead of chasing flashy features, it prioritizes stability, clarity, and productivity. That said, movies and ultra-wide supported games look incredibly immersive thanks to the sheer width of the screen. At the end of the day, the Dell UltraSharp U4919DW is for creators, professionals, and anyone who wants to simplify their desk while dramatically expanding their digital workspace. It replaces multiple monitors, reduces clutter, and improves how you work every single day. If productivity matters to you, this is one of those upgrades that's hard to go back from. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.